everyone, this is Holly Knudsen. I'm a holistic cancer coach and FDN from Utah, and today I want to talk about how to make liposomal vitamin C in your own kitchen. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that combats free radical damage, powers the adrenal glands, regenerates tissues, and promotes a healthy circulatory system. If you have cancer, vitamin C is a great supplement to support the immune system. In this video, I'll teach you how to make liposomal vitamin C in your own kitchen using this superior delivery method, which is far more effective than taking ascorbic acid. Interestingly, humans are one of the few mammals whose bodies can't produce vitamin C. This critical nutrient must be obtained either from food or supplementation. And vitamin C is water soluble, so the body needs a constant supply of it because it can't be stored. What are the benefits of liposomal vitamin C? Liposomal technology was developed by the pharmaceutical industry to allow prescription drugs to pass through stomach acid intact. After passing through the stomach, medications go into the bloodstream and then directly through the cell membrane into the cell. This is possible because the structure of a liposome, which is basically a bubble of fat, is made of the same components as the cell wall. This similarity in structure allows nutrients or medications to essentially slide through the cell membrane, guaranteeing that the patient receives the full dose of the prescribed medication. Since vitamin C is water soluble, it can easily be destroyed by stomach acid when you take it orally. The absorption rate in the bloodstream is only about 20%, with the remaining 80% concentrating in the colon. And this is why high-dose oral vitamin C causes diarrhea. Because cell membranes are made of fat and vitamin C is water-soluble, getting it into the cell is not an efficient process. But the liposomal delivery method not only protects the vitamin C molecule while it's passing through the stomach, but it also allows it to effectively slip through the cell membrane where it can exert its effect on the cell. Not only does the liposomal encapsulation delivery method enable high doses of vitamin C to be taken, but the absorption rate is also significantly better. It rivals intravenous vitamin C therapy, with some experts saying it is even more effective. Getting an IV vitamin C drip can be prohibitive because they're expensive, they have to be performed by a nurse or doctor, and they're time-consuming because they have to be administered very slowly in order to protect the veins. Intravenous vitamin C acts as a pro-oxidant that produces hydrogen peroxide, which is effective at targeting cancer cells. Unlike chemotherapy, it doesn't harm normal cells, making it a powerful alternative cancer therapy. On the other hand, liposomal oral vitamin C is a potent antioxidant and electron donor, helping to reduce the oxidative stress that infections and free radicals cause. And this is notable because most illness is caused by oxidative stress, and this underscores the importance of vitamin C. Vitamin C is also critical to prevent and eradicate infections, particularly viruses. Used in conjunction with ozone, the two are a dynamic prescription against disease. Vitamin C is vital for a robust immune system and healthy adrenal function. In fact, the adrenal glands hold the highest concentration of vitamin C in the body, which is needed to produce adrenal hormones such as cortisol. If the concentration of vitamin C is low in the glands, more cortisol is released, and this initiates a cascade of negative effects. Now I want to tell you how to make liposomal vitamin C. Number 1, you'll need 3 tablespoons, not teaspoons, tablespoons of sunflower lecithin granules. And you're going to add those to 1 cup of just below boiling filtered water. And now be sure to not use the soy lecithin. You want sunflower lecithin. And add it to the water and then gently shake the jar and then just leave it on your counter. Then you're going to put 2 tablespoons of rose hip powder dissolved in a half a cup of, again, just below boiling filtered water. And then gently shake that. And I'll put the links if you want to buy the lecithin and the rose hip powder underneath this video. Sometimes I'll do that at night and then put both of the mixtures into the fridge, just depending on my schedule. But if you're going to do it all at once you have your 2 jars, and be sure and use glass. Once you have your 2 jars, you can put both of those together in a blender and blend them together for a few seconds. Now, here comes the fun part. You need an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. And I know that sounds really weird, but it somehow makes it liposomal. So you put the solution that is blended in an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring often. Once that's done, you pour the mixture into a glass jar and refrigerate it. The dosage is 2 tablespoons or 1 ounce per day. And I have found that the mixture lasts about a week. And then you'll start seeing mold not on the top of the mixture itself, but like I see it on the lid of the glass jar. I always use glass that I put it in. And the best time to take liposomal vitamin C is in the morning on an empty stomach, or really any time of the day. I've heard it's better absorbed on an empty stomach, but I know some people like to take it with food. But be aware of this, that it will make you absorb iron, which is good if you're anemic. But I know people over 50 can, tend to accumulate more iron. So take that into account. And you can take it several times throughout the day if you are treating an acute condition. And if you are anemic, take it with meals to aid in iron absorption. And I'll put a link to the ultrasonic jewelry cleaner too with the other links. Well, you might ask, is it worth taking the time to make liposomal vitamin C? It really is time efficient. I mean, once you have the jewelry cleaner and the rose hips and the lecithin, it's just really a matter of mixing them. And then just, go sit in front of your computer and use a plastic spoon, by the way, don't use metal. And just stir it off and on for, 20 to 30 minutes, pour it in the jar, and you're basically, you're done. It doesn't take that long. And for me, it's worth the small amount of time it takes to make it because I notice a difference in my energy levels. And it's great in the winter because it helps prevent colds and flus. And it may help you fall asleep better at night and stay asleep. Vitamin C is also amazing at reducing histamine if you have allergies. And that's a pretty big deal. If all those benefits weren't enough, it's also a fantastic vitamin for skin health because it promotes the production of collagen. I take more when I'm under stress, when I'm anxious, or I haven't eaten that great. Your body will metabolize vitamin C faster in those situations. I know it has definitely improved my adrenal function. And with all this going on with the coronavirus, liposomal vitamin C is a tremendous supplement to have in your fridge. It's easy to make, it's cost effective, and by the way, it tastes good, and it lasts longer than an IV drip. You get more bang for your buck because of the liposomal delivery method. And like I said, once you have the ingredients and the jewelry cleaner, you can whip up a batch in no time. And, it'll last you, it may last up to 10 days. If you're one of those people that catches every virus and bacteria that goes around, you'll definitely want this supplement in your corner. And be sure and keep it in your fridge, though. In summary, vitamin C is a vital nutrient and one that can't be made in the body. We can't store it. Supplementing with it in liposomal form is a great way to ingest high amounts of the vitamin. Certain populations need higher amounts of vitamin C, including the elderly, people who smoke, those who reside in highly polluted areas, and athletes. The liver requires vitamin C to process medications like aspirin, Tylenol, and prescription medications. So if you're taking any of these on a regular basis, it's imperative to support your liver with vitamin C. In my opinion, everyone should be supplementing daily with this antioxidant because of the enormous amounts of stress we're all under. What do you think about making liposomal vitamin C? Does it sound easy? Is it something you would like to do? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.